The day after the tragic deaths of Cyrus Mistry, former chairman of Tata Sons, and Jahangir Pandole, everybody is still trying to investigate on what actually happened. A special probe has been ordered, but from what has emerged on speaking to police and eyewitnesses, it seems clear now that the rear seat passengers, Cyrus Mistry and Jahangir Pandole, who were both killed, were not wearing seat belts. Also, evidence is now emerging that the car may have been speeding, though the police are said to wait for the final probe. And also, many questions being raised on the highway that they were driving on, which went abruptly from a 3-lane to a 2-lane. Let's just watch the special report.
The Mercedes SUV belonging to the Pandoles. Just 20 minutes before the fatal accident in Palghar, in which Cyrus Mistry and Jahangir Pandole, both sitting in the rear seat, were killed.
दुकान पे था, काम कर रहा था। जैसे आवाज आया वैसे जाके देखा तो गाड़ी ठोक दिया था ब्रिज के डिवाइडर को। 2 आदमी पीछे के बेहोश पड़े थे, उसको जान नहीं था लगता। अच्छा। और आगे के उसको होश था। बाद में आदमी आए इधर उधर से, तो बाद में निकालने को लिए अभी तक फोन किया आदमी लोगों ने, फोन किया जैसे आदमी लोग आए, एम्बुलेंस आ गई और बाद में निकालने को लिए।
The police are now looking at a computer chip in the SUV to get an idea of whether there was a mechanical problem. Though it is widely believed that the driver may have lost control of the vehicle in a high-speed overtaking maneuver.
इसका जो डेटा रहता है अंदर का, वो मर्सिडीज बेंज कंपनी की तरफ से हम उसके पैरामीटर्स चेक करेंगे, क्योंकि हाई एंड व्हीकल्स में हमें पता चलता है कि टायर प्रेशर कितना था, वेदर वो ब्रेक का फ्लूइड सही था या नहीं था। वो व्हीकल देखने के बाद पता चलता है कि इट मस्ट बी इन हाई स्पीड।
Significantly, the police believe the deceased passengers were not wearing seat belts in the rear seat. The accident took place on a spot on the road when a 3-lane road changes to a 2-lane one on a bridge along the Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. The vehicle hit a divider at this location. The mortal remains of Cyrus Mistry and Jahangir Pandole were brought to Mumbai's JJ hospital late on Sunday night, where a post-mortem was conducted and the last rites will be performed on Tuesday morning. Anahita Pandole, who was driving the car, and her husband, Darius Pandole, are being treated at HN Reliance Hospital. There are questions also being asked about what happens now to the nearly $30 billion Shapurji Palonji empire. Just over 2 months ago, Cyrus's father, Palonji Mistry, died at the age of 93. For now, functionality of the company, which has just emerged from a difficult restructuring exercise, will continue as usual. With Sohit Mishra and Sakshi Bajaj, Bureau Report, NDTV.